Ride with us.
And action. It is your main man T with Arizona Riders Club. Stumbled up on this KPR 200. Looks kind of clean for a beginner, you know what I mean? Obviously, we understand that, individuals with a little more experience are going to want something a tiny bit bigger. But for those beginner riders, man, KPR 200, Chinese bike, haven't really heard of these things. However, looks pretty clean, man. Looks like they laid it down. Got some damage on the mirror or on the blinker, but hey, nothing we can't fix, right? Yeah. How many on the dash? Actually, it's not on right now, so not quite sure what is going on, how many mileage is on this thing, but pretty sweet looking bike. Picked up my dirt bike just a little while ago, and looking to get into a cruiser or a street bike. So obviously it's going to be bigger than this, bigger than the 200, but for the low, anything can be purchased. Y'all know that. What do you guys think? Tell me about if you have any experience with the KPR 200 Chinese bike. Do me a quick favor before I let y'all go. Like, subscribe, and share this video. It's T with the Arizona Riders Club, just bringing you a little short. We got a lot of vehicles to look at today. Ride with us.